Hi, this is Ruman. Welcome to you from Oracle Apex. Today I would like to share with you a very simple but interesting topics. In this tutorial I would like to share with you how to display image preview. If you like to show your uploaded image in a border sense, then you need to preview it or pop up or zoom out, etc. So to do so, let's start the practical session. First, go to the page that contain the image and open the page JavaScript functions, page level JavaScript code editor, and there declare a function to preview the image. Here I use a little bit simple tricks that create a div to contain the image with high resolution and preview the image into this div. First create the div using the JavaScript and then set it an ID. I set the ID of that div is image display, and then create an image tag and a span tag. In this image tag, later we will append the image which image I want to show. And the span tag is I will use to close the div. Here I will add an action to close the image div which was previewed. Here I append the character in the span tag. Declare another variable named source which will store the source attribute from the input image item, and then set the attribute into the newly created image tag. Now all the child tag need to append the parent div. Here I am appending the image tag and span tag into the div. And then the whole div now append into the body. Now need to add action and style. When the div is select or pop up, that means when the function is called, then the div style, the display will be set to block, and when the span clicks, then the div will be removed from the body. That's it to pop up the image preview in zoom in mode. On click on the function, anonymous function, remove the div from the body. After creating the function, we need to call that function into the image item. After a moment, we will see that here the function is declared. Now need to add some CSS for the display purpose. Here the ID, based on the ID we need to set position, then background color, width, height, top 0, left 0. Simple settings. You can set your style as you like. Here I am showing a simple style here. With 100%, height 100%, and Z index must be higher than the others. So that it pushed on the back end. All of that in here. I applied 10,000 Z index. That means it will be last item or meaning or website. And then apply some style on image tag, position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, left also 50%, and transform will be translate to minus 50% to left 50%, minus 50%, and top minus 50%. With 50% and max height 100%. Border 5 pixels, solid white. This style will show the image into the center of that div item. And later here the span tag on that ID side, here position absolute, and top 0, right 13, that means it will display on the top right corner. font size, simple settings, simple style. Color, choose some white, and cursor should be pointer. That's it. And then call the function into the report on image tag. Here is the function calling on click. When click, then the image pop-up function called. Image pop here make it the link that's for when the mouse over, then it will shows as link. URL target nothing. Here assign the hash, save and run. Then yeah, that's it. Image was previewed, and then zooming in, close, and then here the image popped up. That's it. If found helpful, then